All right, so coming in on your passenger side, right underneath the glove box, you're going to be able to see your blower motor resistor. Should be fairly easy to get to. We're going to remove the wiring harness from it, and then of course the 2 mounting bolts. Let's get started. Now if you take your finger and you press right on this little center point, you'll be able to squeeze that and then draw this away. I always take a peek at my wiring harness, make sure there's no funny colors. If you see something, you know you have to repair that. This looks good, so I'll set it aside. Now I can see my mounting bolt here and one right there. Remove them both. There's one. It's almost out. There's our second. And then of course, the blower motor resistor. Now it's going to be time to install our brand new blower motor resistor. If you were to look at it, you can see that it has one corner that's kind of angled off. That needs to be on the top and towards the rear. I'm just going to put it just like this. I'll slide it directly into the box, and then of course we'll put in our 2 mounting bolts. Okay. There it is. Just leave it like that. Stick this one in a few good threads. You want it to be as straight as possible. You're going to be screwing into plastic, so it could be very simple to accidentally cross thread in your bolt or even strip out the plastic box. Okay, so I get that one bottomed out. Do the same thing to the other one. You don't want to over tighten these. Like I said, they're only screwed into plastic. Okay, that's bottomed out. Just a teeny weeny bit more. That's it. Let's get our pigtail reattached. Push it in, listen for a click, give it a tug. That feels great. Now we're going to test our blower motor. All right, I can hear the blower motor on level 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, and it works on high. This is perfect.